Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get a lot of Vanguard coins. Focus on completing your daily and weekly challenges first, as these often provide the most substantial coin rewards. Don't forget to check for any ongoing special events, as they frequently offer unique opportunities to earn extra coins and exclusive items. Playing objective-based game modes can also boost your earnings compared to standard deathmatch modes. To truly optimize your coin gains, consider investing in a battle pass or season pass if available, as these often include dedicated coin reward tracks. Playing with a consistent squad can significantly improve your team's performance in objective modes, leading to faster challenge completion and more coins. Always keep an eye out for double coin weekends or other limited time promotions, which are excellent opportunities to multiply your earnings. For advanced strategies, always prioritize challenges that offer the highest coin rewards, even if they seem a bit tougher. Becoming proficient in one or two specific game modes can help you consistently perform well, which often translates to higher coin payouts per match. It's also wise to save your coins for essential upgrades or items rather than splurging on purely cosmetic purchases right away. Strategic spending is key. To truly maximize your coin collection, make sure to log in daily to claim any potential login bonuses, as these can add up over time. Also, keep an eye on community events or official social media channels for any coin giveaways or contests. And speaking of making things easy, if you're looking to streamline your meal prep, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Happy gaming!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.